Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from RENPHO. This is the RENPHO C3 Deep Tissue Massaging Massage Gun. You can check it out here on Amazon, and I'll have that link, of course, in the description where you guys can check it out. This is great if you have sore muscles in general. Maybe you're recovering from an injury, maybe you work out and you want to do pre or post workout massaging, or just general massage. This might be for you. We're going to dig into it now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is everything that you get once you get it out of the box. You do get a nice carry case here, a zippered carry case from RENPHO. And up on the left-hand side, I'll have all the specs here for it. It's got a built-in 2,000 milliamp battery for up to 8 hours of battery usage. It does have an auto shut-off timer of 15 minutes. It weighs 2.1 pounds, and it will get up to 3,200 RPMs in the highest or fastest mode. Now, they do give you this nice little card here. It is written in English and it's well laid out, so refer to it if you need it. Of course, they give you the main unit itself. It's got a nice grip to it. You can see on the bottom, that's where you'll plug it in, and you'll use this to recharge it. They give you your own AC adapter here. It's not USB, so be aware of that you will have to keep track of this one just for recharging the gun itself. Now, the gun takes a few hours to recharge, and it will actually work for up to 8 hours of constant usage. They give you 6 massage heads here. This ball massage head is suitable for large muscle groups. The fork one is suitable for your neck, spine, Achilles tendon. Then you have this air cushion soft head here that's suitable for sensitive muscles for relaxation with these grips on it. You do have kind of a wedge head here for abdominal muscles to kind of get in there. And you do have this one, which I really like, the bullet head, suitable for joints, deep tissue, and trigger points. So if you need to target an area, you can do so there. And then you have this flat head that's suitable for all parts of the body because it's kind of spread out over that wider area. So let's get this out of the way and take a look at the main unit itself. Of course, at the bottom you have an on and off dedicated switch here. You also have your charge plug-in for charge. Nice grip here on this, rather wide grip, easy to hold on to. And you've got an LCD screen on the back here. Make sure that it's turned on. You're going to see speed on the left and battery on the right out of 10. So I'm at about 80% battery right now. And then you have a power button, a plus and a minus button, and what these are going to do for you is increase the speeds as you go. And there's some nice venting on the top here, and of course your opening for the massage heads. They're easy to plug on in, and then just select the plus and minus to get you going, and there you go. So overall, very easy to operate here, very intuitive. You just have to select the desired speed you would like, and off you go. So you can see we can go all the way up to 20. We can go all the way down to 1, and if you want to hold the button down, you can go and change these speeds rapidly if you need to. Just be forewarned that if you power it off, it's not going to remember the speed. It's always going to, for safety, put you in the lowest speed. You can see that we get some really nice massage out of this, some good force even at 10. So overall, with all the attachments here, being able to get into specific areas, you can see here that I'm kind of just doing some trigger point areas here in my hand. Works out really, really well. Overall, this is a very high quality. What I do want to do is I want to show you how loud this is when you are using it at various speeds, so you know how loud the gun is itself. So we're going to do a sound test here in just a few moments. But overall, just very well built. I really like that it has a wide grip on it, so it's easy to hold onto, although it does come in at 2.1 pounds, so be aware of that as well. So let's take a here on the speeds and actually how they sound when you're using the gun. So there you go. That gives you an idea of the sound that you will generate by using each mode from 1 to 20. I believe at mode 20 it maxes out at about 63 decibels, just to give you an idea. Now overall, I'm pretty impressed with the C3 by RENPHO. I like the fact that it has a dedicated on and off switch. Also, the built-in battery will last you a good long time between charges. And what's really important about this massage gun is that it's big and sturdy and almost professional grade it feels. So it doesn't feel like it's going to break on me anytime soon. Overall, they've done a great job on this. If you're looking for a massage gun, you might want to put this one on your short list to kind of check out and see if it would fit for you. This is Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. Thanks again for watching, and I'll check you guys out on the next video.